Menta ka sngi la sakhi ka Jngi ka Liengsuin Duriaw ni ka seaplane hapung Umiam kabalong shibenta ban Khring bat kenteu ya kam Nongwankai ha ni ka jilla rilum Meghalaya. Ka sarkar jilla ringkat ka Jngi lang bat katna civil aviation ka sarkar pedeng kala penher ya ka ni ka Liengsuin Duriaw bakan Jngi ru ha ka Pung Umiam. Kani ka Liengsuin Duriaw kala bandem bat banher nasla umru. Kani ka long shibentaru na ka RCS udan scheme ka sarkar pedeng akabakan penhiar syo shakiwe pat kichaka. Ya kani ka program la pli do menteri ka tana civil aviation ka sarkar pedeng UR Naidu Kinjarapu ringkat ka jingedon lang menteri rang ba ka jela u konrat ke sangma bat kiwei. Ka company Spice Jet kan peniat ya kani ka Liengsuin Duriaw ka balawanra da ka de Havilland aircraft na ka ri Canada.
In the vibrant city of Shillong, surrounded by these stunning landscapes and rich heritage of Meghalaya. This is an exciting day. Today's seaplane launch represents a significant step forward, not only for aviation, but also for enhancing connectivity and unlocking new possibilities across this remarkable region. At de Havilland, we have a long history of pioneering aviation solutions that connect people in even the most remote and hard to reach locations. India, with its vast geography and unique landscapes, holds incredible potential for seaplane operations. And Umiam Lake is the ideal starting point. By establishing seaplane operations here, we are opening the door to efficient, scenic, and sustainable travel that represents the natural environment and respects it. Imagine the ability to travel from Umiam Lake to other destinations across India in a fraction of the time it currently takes. This is the future we envision. With the Twin Otter seaplane, we can transform the way residents, tourists, and businesses connect. This service can create new opportunities for tourism and help bring economic benefits to your local businesses and enrich the cultural exchange between Meghalaya and the rest of India.